Good morning friends, welcome back to Panika Tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss one of the GATE question which came in the year 2015 related to pacing. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Look at the question. A computer system implements 8 kilobyte pages and a 32-bit physical address space. Each page table entry contains a valid bit, a dirty bit, 3 permission bits, and the translation. If the maximum size of a page table of a process is 24 megabytes, the length of the virtual address supported by the system is dash bits. They have given 4 options. Option A is 36 bits, option B is 37 bits, option C is 38 bits, option D is 39 bits. So we need to solve the question and find out what is the right answer. If you look at each statement in the given question, a computer system implements 8 kilobytes pages, meaning is that page size is equal to 8 kilobytes, so it is 8 KB. Okay, if page size is 8 KB, then we know that frame size also will be 8 KB, because in a paging the page size will be equal to frame size. Okay, and a 32-bit physical address space. So they are talking about the physical address which is 32-bit. If physical address is 32-bit, physical address space or size of the main memory is equal to 2 power 32 bytes, because it is a byte address full format. Now each page table entry contains a valid bit. One valid bit will be there, comma, one dirty bit will be there, and 3 permission bits will be there. Okay, and also the translation, meaning is that it will also consist of frame number. Okay, is it clear? Frame number means the number of bits required to represent a frame. Is it clear? That will be the size of an entry in a page, so which is equal to entry size of a page, entry size of a page table. Okay, because page table will consist of several pages, and size of a one entry we are talking. Okay, entry size in a page table is this much, but however we don't know how many bits are required for the frame number, because once we come to know that number of frames, then we will come to know that number of bits required for the frame number. Okay, is it clear? If the maximum size of a page table of a process is, they have given the page table size is equal to 24 megabytes, so which is nothing but 24 MB. Is it clear? Now what they are asking, the length of the virtual address supported by the system. So they are talking about the logical address. So if you want to find the logical address, you need to find the logical address space. In the entire question, does they have anywhere given the logical address space or virtual address space? They have not given. So you need to find the logical address space or the size of the process, and then you can find the logical address, how many bits. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Now what we need to do, we need to find the number of frames. Okay, is it clear? Are you able to understand? If we find the number of frames, we can find the number of bits required for the frame number, then we can find the number of pages. All these things I will discuss for you. So first they have given the frame size. Okay, main memory size they have given, so we can easily find the number of frames. Number of frames is equal to main memory size by frame size, which is equal to, main memory size is 2 power 32 bytes, and the frame size is 8 KB. 8 KB can be represented as, 8 can be represented as 2 power 3, and K can be represented as 2 power 10. So you will have 2 power 13 bytes. 2 power 32 by 2 power 13, you will have 2 power 19 frames are possible. So the number of frames is equal to 2 power 19. If you have 2 power 19 frames, you need number of bits to represent a frame. A single frame, if you want to represent, you need 19 bits. Am I right or wrong? If you have 4 frames, then how many bits are required? 2 bits are required. One bit can be represented 0 0, another one is 0 1 1 0 1 1. See, this is frame number 0, frame number 1, frame number 2, frame number 3. So if you have 4 frames, you need 2 bits. Similarly, if you have 2 power 19 frames, then you will read 19 bits to represent a single frame. Is it clear? So we got the number of bits in the frame will be 19. So what is the page table entry we got is we have 19 bits for the frame number, because every page table, okay, every page table will have a process page number, because a process is logically divided into several pages. So each process will have its own page table, okay, and page table will have the page number starting from 0 to, suppose if it is having 16 pages, then 0 to 15 pages it will be there, and each page will have the several entries. One of the entry is the frame number. Are you able to understand? So let's take that page number 0 of a process is stored in the frame number 5. So the memory management unit, whenever it needs to convert the logical address to physical address, this page table will be useful. So even they have provided the frame number, and also the entry will consist of 1 bit for the valid, 1 dirty bit, and 3 permission bits. So totally you have 19 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 19 plus 5, which is 24 bits are there in one entry of a page table. Okay, is it clear? So 24 bits is nothing but 3 bytes. Okay, are you able to understand? They have given the page table size as 24 MB. Now page table size is equal to number of pages into entry size, which is 3 bytes. Are you able to understand? They have provided the page table size as 24 MB. Okay, 24 MB is there. We don't know number of pages, so I need to find the number of pages. Number of pages into 3 bytes are there. So number of pages is equal to 24 MB by 3 bytes, which is nothing but 3 8s are 24. So you have 8 MB pages, which is equal to, not MB, 8 million pages will be there, because this byte and this byte will be cancelled. So you have 8 million pages are there, which is nothing but 2 power 23 pages are there. Are you able to understand it or not? Okay, we got the number of pages. Once we got the number of pages and we have the page size, can we find the logical address space? Yes, because the number of pages is equal to logical address space or size of a process by page size. Okay, here we know the number of pages as 2 power 23, and we don't know the logical address space, and we know the page size, which is 8 KB. 8 KB can be represented as 2 power 13. So logical address space is equal to 2 power 23 into 2 power 13, which is equal to 2 power 26. So logical address space, we got it as 2 power 36 bits. Okay, or logical address is 2 power 26 bits, or I can say that logical address space is 2 power 36. Oh, are you able to understand? Logical address is 36 bits and logical address space is 2 power 36 bytes. Are you able to understand? Because the number of pages is equal to logical address space by page size. So logical address space, I got it as 2 power 36 bytes. So if you have 2 power 36 bytes, logical address need 36 bits. If you have 2 power 36 combinations, you need 36 bits to represent each combination. So that is what they have asked. The length of the virtual address. Virtual address is nothing but the logical address supported by the system is dash bits. 36 bits we got. So the right answer for this question is option A. I hope you have understood how I solved this question. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.